I use Google Chrome on my iPhone all the time. And I don't want my wife to discover what I'm looking for in Google Chrome when I hand her my iPhone, because every now and then she wants to use my iPhone to do something herself, check the weather, or do a Google search. But I don't want her knowing what I'm looking for and what I'm using Google Chrome for. By the way, before I share this with you, if you like this content, if it's useful to you in any way, do me a favor, hit like on the video. If you have a question, hit comment and ask me any question. And furthermore, if you like what I'm sharing on the channel, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. We have a whole lot more content coming to help you. So I use Google Chrome for a lot, and I often have a lot of different tabs open. And furthermore, if you go to Google search, she'll be able to see what I search for. But by golly, I don't want her seeing that. So how do I fix it? So let's go through this a step at a time. Step number one. If you don't want her to see all the tabs you have open, then you've got to close those tabs down. Now you can hit the edit button in the bottom left if you have a bunch of tabs, and you can say close all tab groups, or you can say select all tabs and close down all the tabs that you don't want her to see, and then select them and then hit close tabs and confirm it and then hit done. Okay, so I got rid of all those tabs I don't want her to see. But how do I keep her from seeing what I've searched for when she goes into search? So I can get rid of one at a time, but that may be tedious if you've never cleared it out. So let's do this. Go to the bottom right, hit the three dots in the bottom right, go to history, and I can go to history and all the way to the bottom, delete browsing data. That should get rid of it all. So click on get rid of browsing data, browsing history, cookies, caches, save password. I get rid of all of that. Delete browsing data, confirm it by saying delete browsing data again, deleting data, boom, all gone, and I can hit done. So now there's no browsing data to see. When I hit done here, what's left over is I have Wordle, Amazon, I have bookmarks, and I also have the discover and following. So how do I get rid of that? Well, you got to get the pencil in the upper left-hand corner. By the way, if you don't see the pencil in the upper left-hand corner, just open another tab and it'll be in the upper left-hand corner. So hit that pencil and look, I can get rid of site shortcuts. That goes away. I can get rid of cards. Those go away. And I can get rid of the Discover feed. And that goes away. Hit the X, close it out. And now when she opens up a new tab because she sees that you're playing tiles in the cult of Lego, but she hits the plus, it's all gone. She hits the search box, it's all gone. And furthermore, if she hits the three dots and she goes to history, it's all gone. That is how you clean out Google Chrome on your iPhone so that it is safe for you to hand it to your wife. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.